Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG3650. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network. First of all, you need to put the printer in a wireless mode. You need to press the cancel or stop button once, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button. 1, 2, the power on button will flash, then press the copy button once, then press the Wi-Fi button. The Wi-Fi button is now flashing intermittently, looking for available network to connect it. Now the next thing to do is, depending on the device you want to use, go to Play Store. I want to use mobile device. Go to Play Store, install Canon Print app, open it up. This is Canon Print app. Search for printer. Please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Then select no. When the printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect, then select next. The printer is found Canon IJ40697 MG3650 series. Then select connect. Then open Wi-Fi setting. The following Wi-Fi settings screen. Connect your smart device to network. So open Wi-Fi settings. Then you select the network. Then go back. So search for the printer. Select next. Connect MG3600 series to network. Select connect. Connected. Please wait momentarily. And the Wi-Fi is still flashing. It's processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select yes. Saving. This may take more than 30 seconds. The printer could not be found. Your smartphone may not be connected to a smart wireless router. Do you want the display setting screen? Then if you look, the printer is now steady. So select on the printer. Now it's acquiring the information. This is the printer and it's connected to network. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Thank you very much indeed.